Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Alpha 100 to a Drivetrack 71. First, ensure both your Alpha 100 and Drivetrack 71 devices are fully charged. This prevents interruptions during the pairing process. Next, power on both units. Finally, place them within a few feet of each other. This close proximity is crucial for a successful initial connection, making the process smooth and efficient for you. Now, let's pair your devices. On your Drivetrack 71, access the main menu and find the Dog List or Track Dogs option. From there, select Add Dog or Pair Alpha device. The Drivetrack will then begin searching for nearby Alpha 100 units. Simply follow the Clear on Screen prompts to complete the wireless pairing. This step establishes the vital communication link between your two Garmin devices. Once pairing is complete, it's important to confirm the connection. Your Alpha 100 should now appear on the Drivetrack 71's dog list, showing its status. Look for a strong signal indicator on the Drivetrack screen. If you encounter any issues, such as a dropped connection or failure to pair, simply restart both your Alpha 100 and Drivetrack 71. Then, repeat the pairing steps. This often resolves minor glitches. With your Garmin Alpha 100 and Drivetrack 71 successfully connected, you can now enjoy enhanced tracking. The Drivetrack's larger, 7-inch display provides a clear view of your dog's location and status, offering superior situational awareness. This seamless communication allows for more effective monitoring and navigation during your outdoor adventures. You'll appreciate the convenience and improved control this integrated system offers, making your experience much more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.